Hello, good morning students. Welcome back. So in this virtual session we are going to start with a new and interesting topic, that is statistic. So student, I want you all to open your page number 95. So student, this is the 15th chapter of your mathematics textbook. So let's begin. My dear students, first let us understand what is statistic. So, statistic may be defined as a science of collection, presentation, analysis and interpretation of numerical data. Okay? Statistic is nothing but the thing, means we are going to take out the collection, presentation like average, mean, mode. Okay, we do the analysis and interpretation of a numerical data. So basically numbers. So this definition includes four terms: collection of data, presentation of data, analysis of data and interpretation of data. Means this is nothing but the everything, this collection, presentation of a number. So as you can see on page number 95 of your textbook, so in this standard student we are going to deal with the average, like we are going to find out average of a given data. So the following table on page number 95, have a look on that page. On the topmost, as you can see, the following table shows how many minutes Ashmita took to cycle to the school every morning from Monday to Saturday. Okay, table is given, days are given and minutes are given. Okay, so we can see the table that she takes 18 minutes on the same days, 20 on others and even 22 minutes on one day. So these are different days, different minutes on different days. So we are going to take out the average. Okay, what was the average? So in mathematics, to make such an estimate, we find the average. If we add together the number of minutes required on each day and divide the sum by 6, the number we get is approximately the time required every day. So it is the average of all 6 numbers. Okay, so we are going to take out average. तो एवरेज के लिए क्या करना होता है, जो नंबर्स दिए होते हैं वो लिख कर पूरा टोटल कर कर उसके नीचे डिवाइड किससे करना होता है, जितने नंबर्स दिए हुए हैं. जैसे कि फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल पेज नंबर 95 पे टेबल में देखोगे कि मिनट्स कितना है 1 2 3 4 5 6. सो टोटल डेज कितना होगा 6, तो नीचे डिवाइड बाय 6 पूरा एवरेज निकाल के टोटल करके डिवाइड करके you will get the average. So I hope you understood with this. Let us start with practice set 54. First question student, read which is given on page number 96. The daily rainfall for each day of a week in a certain city is given in millimeters. Find the average rainfall during the week. So we are going to find the average rainfall. Here it is given 9, 11, 8, 20, 10, 16, 12. So students, same this question we will solve in notebook. Have a look here. Already solution. Average rainfall formula is equals to sum of the total rainfall upon number of the days. So total rainfall here, first write sum of the total rainfall, 9 plus 11 plus 8 plus 20 plus 10 plus 16 and plus 12. Okay, these numbers are given. Now number of the days, count here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. How many days student? 7. So 7 will come here. Just add this all the numbers. After adding, I got 86 upon 7. divide these two number. After dividing, answer is 12.29 millimeter. So this is the easiest sum. Now second sum, as you can see here, during the annual function of a school, a women self-help group had set up a snacks stall. Their sales every hour were worth rupees 960, rupees 830, rupees 945, rupees 800, rupees 847 and rupees 970 respectively. What was the average of the hourly sales? So here the same solution for question number 2 is average hourly sale is equals to total sale upon total number of hours. This is the question. So this is the formula. So total sale is 960 plus 830 plus 945 plus 800 plus 847. Student, here I am not having space, so I will continue here. 847 plus 970. Okay, so equals to here upon total number of hours. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here is 6. Count these numbers. Given number will be down. Now plus this all the numbers. So after adding, I got 5352. 5352 upon 6. Now divide. After dividing, I get 892. So does the average of the hourly sale is rupees 892. So now have a look on question number 3rd. The annual rainfall in Vidarbha in 5 years is given below. What is the average rainfall for those 5 years? It given 900 millimeter, 650 millimeter, 450 millimeter, 733 millimeter and 400 millimeter. So we are going to find the average rainfall. So student, average rainfall for 5 years is equals to total rainfall in 5 years upon 5 years. Okay, it's already given 5. So what was given? Given was 900 plus, as you can see, 900 plus 650 plus 450 plus 733 plus 400. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So upon will be 5. Okay. So after adding this all number, I got 3133. 3133 upon 5. So now divide. 3133 by 5. So after dividing, I got 626.6. So does the average rainfall for 5 years is 626.6. Okay. Now fourth sum, as you can see, a farmer bought some sacks of animal feed. The weight of the sack are given below. Kilograms. What is the average weight of the sack? 49.8, 49.7, 49.5, 49.3, 50, 48.9, 49.2 and 48.8. So let us solve now this. Same. Total weight of all the sack upon total number of sack. So student, 49.8 plus 49.7
plus 49.5 plus 49.3 plus 49.3 plus 50 plus 48.9 plus 49.2 plus 48.8. Student, here I am not having space, so I written here upon 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So here will be 8. Now after adding this, I got 395.5 upon 8, and after dividing I got 49.4. So the average weight of the sets is 49.4 kg. So student, we had completed with this practice set 54. Now I want you to do this practice set into your mathematic notebook with neat and clean handwriting.
So student, in this virtual session, we had completed with the practice set 54. I hope you all had understood this practice set thoroughly. So student, in next virtual session, that is next video, we are going to cover next practice set, that is practice set 55. Till then student, take care.